Good afternoon. Today I'm at South Holston Lake. Gonna try to hop the Gulp Minnow around a little bit and see what we can catch today. I had a lot of rain recently, and today it's a little bit cloudy, a little bit, sunny in patches, but I think it's gonna rain again. So I think it might be a good time to try to get in on some fish. We'll see what we can catch. Ooh. See you. Oh, got a nice smallmouth on here. Looks like. I'm gonna land it from here. I'll have to try to go down, I guess. Stay hooked, buddy. About got you. Let's see. Hey, it's not a bad one on the Gulp Minnow at all. See if we can get that out of you. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, not bad at all for the 1-inch Gulp Minnow. See you, buddy. You get a little gill here. Yeah, pretty. I'll see you, buddy. Little gill. Yeah, I know, buddy. Hang on. Gotcha. Whew. See you, bud. Oh! Wow, that's a big one on this. them rocks. Wow. There's another one chasing him. Nice. Yeah, come back here, buddy. There we go. Whew. Man, getting some nice ones on the Gulp Minnow today. Nice. See you, buddy. So pretty. I'll see you later. Green sunfish. Little guy. Pretty though. See you, bud. Oh, that's a nice bluegill there. Doesn't look bad. Whew, pretty. See you, buddy. Oh, wow. That's a good one. I was just about to reel in my line. Not bad at all. Let's see you. Ooh, nice bluegill. Yeah, we'll see you, buddy. That's a pretty big green sunfish right there. Ooh. See you, buddy. Little green sunfish here. See you, buddy. That's a good one. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Oh, easy now. Oh, got it. Hang on, there it goes. It's light. There we go. Whew. Good little handful there. See you, buddy. Yeah, that rain finally ended up moving in. I think I'm gonna have to call it a day for now. Ended up catching, some pretty decent bass on the ultralight today, so that was fun. Put up a real good fight. If you had a good time with me, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I put out new fishing videos every Sunday. And if you would, check out one of the playlists I left on the screen here. Thanks for watching.